Good afternoon. Topic maxima and minima. Exercise 6.5. Question number 21. The question is, of all the closed cylindrical cans of a given volume of 100 cubic centimeter, find the dimensions of the can which has the minimum surface area. Okay, so cylindrical cans, that is cylinder in shape, and volume V equal to 100 cubic centimeter. So let R be the radius, let R be the radius and H be the height. Of the cylindrical cans. Then V equal to, so we know V equal to volume of the cylinder, this formula pi r square H. Pi r square H equal to, it is given 100, okay, centimeter cube. So r square equal to, or H, find H equal to 100 by pi r square. H equal to 100 by pi r square. Now find the dimensions of the can which has the minimum surface area. So let S be the surface area. Then S equal to surface area equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Surface area of the cylinder. Now this equal to 2 pi r into H equal to 100 by pi r square. This into 100 by pi r square. H plus 2 pi r square. So pi r cancel. So 200
by r plus 2 pi r.
200 by r plus 2 pi r square. Okay, this is S equal to surface area. And we know H is equal to hundred by pi r square. Okay, now differentiate both sides with respect to r. So ds by dr equal to ds by dr equal to 1 by r derivative minus 1 by r square. So minus 200 by r square
Plus 4 pi r.
plus 4 pi r. Okay. Now second order, d2s by dr2 d2s by dr2 equal to, so 1 by r square means r to the power minus 2, r to the power minus 2 derivative minus 2 into r to the power minus,
minus 2 by r to the power 3.
that means minus minus plus 2 into 200.
400 by r cube.
400 by r cube plus 4 pi.
Plus 4 pi.
Okay, with respect to our derivative. Now ds by dr equal to 0, first order derivative. Now ds by dr equal to 0 gives minus 200 by r square plus 4 pi r equal to 0. So this means minus 200 by r square equal to minus 4 pi r. Okay, so from both sides minus minus cancel, so 200 by 4 pi, 200 by 4 pi equal to r cube. Okay, cross multiply, so this means 4 into 50, 200, so 50 by pi, 50 by pi equal to r cube. Okay, so r equal to 50 by pi whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay, r is 50 by pi 1.
Yes, sir.
Now at this point, that is r equal to 50 by pi to the power 1 by 3, second order value. So at r equal to 50 by pi, this into 1 by 3 d2s by dr2 equal to, so second order is 400 by r cube plus 4 pi, 400 by r cube plus 4 pi
500 by pi to the power 1 by 3 into
plus 4 pi. Okay, now equal to 400 into 400 by 50 by pi to the power 1 by 3, this is r 1 by 3. Okay, and this into 3 r cube, this into 3. Okay,
yes, sir.
plus 4 pi. Now this 3 cancel, so it is 400
pi by 50.
400 pi by 50 plus 4 pi So equal to
8 pi plus 4 pi is equal to 12 pi.
0 0 cancel. 5 8 is 40. 8 pi. 8 pi plus 4 pi equal to 12 pi, and it is positive, greater than 0. So greater than 0 means S has minimum.
Minimum value.
S is minimum, therefore surface area is minimum, therefore S is minimum. Okay, question is like this: minimum surface area is okay. So when minimum surface area at R equal to, therefore R equal to radius 50 by pi to the power 1 by 3. 50 by pi, this is one dimension, 1 by 3 power. Okay, now H equal to H. So H equal to 100 by pi r square. Hundred by pi r square equal to 100 by pi into 1 by r square, that is 1 by 50 by pi to the power 2 by 3. Okay, this to the power 2 by 3. Okay, now this equal to 100 by pi into 1 by pi to the power 2 by 3. That means 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, this into 50 to the power 2 by 3. This into 50 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, now 100 we can write 2 into 50. 2 into 50 by 1 minus 2 by 3 means 1 by 3 pi to the power into 50 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so this equal to 2 by pi to the power 1 by 3 into 50 to the power
1 by 3.
50 to the power 1 minus 2 by 3, that is
1 by 3.
1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, so 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. So this equal to, we can write 2 into 50 by pi. 50 by pi to the power 1 by 3. Okay, this is H. H equal to. Okay, this is H and this is R. 50 by pi 1 by 3. Okay, these are the dimensions. Okay, it is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 22.
Okay, sir.
22 number. A wire of length 28 meter length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces is to be made one of the pieces is to be made into square. Into square and other into a circle. Other into a circle. What should be the length? Should be the length of the two pieces. So that the combined area of the square and circle is minimum. Combined area is minimum. Okay. So let x be the length of the side of a square. Let x be the length of each side of the square. Side of the square